my name is Jilan and I'll be guiding you to the process of receiving batch products in Ewity. So you can receive stock for a batch product using direct stock receive. So to do that, first select side menu and select inventory. Then choose receive and select the location and enter the products you would like to receive. For example, Panadol. And you can enter the count of every batch and expiry date to receive the stock. For example, 30th May and the number. After adding appropriate batches, press done. Then press the blue icon below and receive the stock. And that's how you receive batch products in Ewity. Thanks for watching and thank you for using Ewity Point of Sale.